How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can comment anonymously on Facebook group. It's very simple and quick process. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. And if you have the latest version of the app, what you want to do is simply open it to make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to the menu by simply tapping on three dash icon on the top right corner. Once you are in the menu page, you will see a tons of options. From that option, you simply have to tap on groups option. After that, you will see the list of different groups that you have joined will be available to you. Head over to the any one of the group that you want to comment. Let me head over to this one. Once you are in the page of group, you simply have to search for the post that was posted by anonymous participant. The feature of commenting anonymously will only be available if the post has been done by anonymous participant. So head over to that post that you want to comment. Now enter any comment that you like to post. Let me write something. Once done, tap on send icon and there you go. The comment has been done and it doesn't even show your real identity of your Facebook account. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.